So this is the first time that you see a circuit with a switch possibly, and I will go over switches and then step functions in the next videos. So when the switch has an arrow going down, that means after t equals 0, it's going to be closed. So here, the switch has an arrow. I realize it's probably too dark, but the arrow here is going down. This means that before 0, the switch was open, so there was no connection between this side of the circuit and this side of the circuit. So I expect you, when you are drawing the circuit for t less than 0, to not draw a switch, just leave it open. When the switch, after 0, the switch is closed, so that means this wire here is down there, and it's connecting this side to this side. If you're drawing the circuit for t larger than 0, I also don't expect you to draw the switch. I expect just a short there. So, however, if the switch is going up, then the two circuits that I'm going to draw are the opposite of what I just drew. So for t less than 0, I'm going to draw 2K and 2 volts, and the switch was closed, so 2K, 2 volts. For t larger than 0, there is no current. The current's going to be 0 because it's a 2K and 2 volts like this. The take-home message here is, when I'm asking you to draw, or when you are drawing circuits to solve them for t less than 0 or larger than 0 or around the switch, interpret the switch. So write what will happen. If it's an open, write an open. If it's a short, write a connection there. Same thing for u of t. So here, oh, it's very hard to see. Here there is 11 u of minus t. And for this function here, function of time being 11 u of minus t volts, I'm going to write what this means. Usually u of t is 1 for t larger than 0. Here it's u of minus t. That means it's going to be 1 for t less than 0. Because look, at t equals, 1, actually it's going to be 11 because it's times 11. Because at t equals minus 5, for example, minus 5, it's going to be u of 5, which is 1. For t larger than 0, this will turn off. It's going to go to 0. Because if t is larger than 0, u is really evaluating u of minus, for example, Steve, 2 seconds, u of minus 2 is 0. So I hope this explains what that u of t is. And I expect you also to interpret the u of t when we're drawing the circuits in these different times. Let me just do the this guy too. 5, if a function x of t is 5 u of t minus 20, that means until t equals 20, oopsie, for t less than 20, this will be negative, so this function will be 0. For t larger than or equal to 20, the function is going to be 5. If you don't understand this, please post questions on this video, post comments. Next, I'm going to solve this circuit here.